Well, you paranoid or something, man? What's going on? Huh? You paranoid?
I love life.
Yeah? Evidently you don't like the First Amendment. Alright, this is NC Tyrant Hunter at S&W Ready Mix in Laurinburg, North Carolina. Doing a First Amendment audit to see if they respect their rights to record out here in public. I got my son, my oldest son, with me. He gets to see firsthand how audits go down and what happens. So let's see if they respect their rights out here today. There it is, just rolled up. Just parked right there. Get a shot of the back. Get over here where you can see. Don't touch my truck.
I will never touch the truck.
That's good. Good thing. How'd that work out? How'd that work out, Chief? Yeah, he thinks he's doing something. He's taking a picture. Woo, there. I got to see the plate on my truck. Well, you paranoid or something, man? What's going on? Huh? You paranoid?
I love life.
Yeah? Evidently you don't like the First Amendment.
I love it.
Then why are you out here bothering me? I'm not bothering you. You're the dummy to come out here bothering me. An idiot. That worked out pretty good, didn't it? Pretty good. He come out here to get my tag and he can't get it because I covered it up. So I have no doubt he's going to go in the office and start whining about people out here. I asked him if he had a problem with the First Amendment. He said he loves life. So evidently he's got something going on that he don't want recorded, because we just out here, me and my son just out here doing a little recording. Make sure you keep them in the shot, all right? All right, guys, we got the police. We got the police that just showed up here at S&W Ready Mix. Got the police right there. It just pulled up. Hey, what's up? What's up, baby? Yeah, somebody just said, "Hey, Jeff, what's up?" Looks like I got a lot of fans in Laurinburg, or Lumberton, I'm sorry. Hopefully she goes in there and tells them, "Hey, you know, as long as he's not on your property, everything's good. Y'all hit that like button for me." But you know how shit can turn, right? You know how it can go, so don't go nowhere. Don't think this is over. There comes another one. So I guess he feared me for some reason, right, on the side of the freaking road, so he had to call the authorities, which I don't really understand. But I mean, you know, he's a big old tough construction looking guy, right? Sort of like me. You know, this guy here was, you know, kind of big, you know, tattooed up, and It looked like he could take care of himself, is what I'm saying, but he had to call the authorities. So I don't know. I mean, what do they think we doing out here? Stealing their soul or something? I mean, what the hell, dude? There they are right there. They up there on the steps. I don't know if y'all can see them. They're right there. Right there. Trying to zoom in with my Canon too. I got my camcorder doing some static recording along with my GoPro, and then my son's got the backup GoPro. I'm using a GoPro-7. My son's got a GoPro-7. I'm using a GoPro-9 Hero 9 black. Also doing live, of course. So we got like 3 backups here. Man, butt hurt cream. I know, right? I need to put that commercial back on some of these videos on the guys.
Oh my God.
Sounds like
That
your
butt hurt cream commercial.
You know, it does, Dana. It really does.
Well, you know what? I have some good news for you. There's this new product out there just for this sort of thing. It's called butt hurt cream.
Okay.
Yeah. Butt hurt cream it's like this new medicine, and it really helps you out when you get a bad case of butt hurt.
Now they over there looking at something. I don't know what they're looking at. Maybe the live stream. Hell, I don't know. But he may have been recording. I think he did walk around. He had the camera out. So, you know, I guess it's okay for him to do it, but not us, right? I mean, we're sitting on the side of the road. There's my truck, right? Here's the road. Still, you know, we got a right to be right here. Got just as much right to be here as anybody. Let's see if they come out and give me directions, or they just drive on. What they should do is just keep driving. But you know how it is. That's probably not what they're going to do. They should just get in the car and keep going. All right, they're getting in the car now. Let's see what they do. Let's see if they stop out here or just keep driving. There's my pretty truck. Oh my God, he's got to come out and give more directives. Son of a... Gotta be kidding. Oh man, that's crazy. What's up?
This is a different video. You need my name and number again?
No, man. I'm just wondering why you had to come out here and talk to me again.
Anytime we get a call, communications has to dispatch it, and we have to show up.
No. I understand, you know, you get a call for service, you got to show up on the call, but...
I was just letting you know, the only reason I come up here to talk to you again...
You're going to tell me not to get on their property again?
Right.
Why would you have to do that, though?
They want to ban, and I just let you know.
A ban? What, a ban for what? Being on the easement?
They don't have to have a reason to ban you.
I don't care about what they do. They got me banned. So I'm trespassed from this property? Is that what you're saying? So I'm trespassed?
If you go on the property, it's trespass.
Okay, yeah, whatever.
Okay.
I guess I'm banned from the property. I haven't even been on it. I feel like PDF. Getting banned from every place in town, right? This is the second one I got banned from. So he had to come over here and tell me I was banned from the property, I guess. I don't know. It's S&W Ready Mix in Lumberton. Damn, he sounded like he needs some brake work done on that thing. So her car is 670. I remember that now. So I just got banned from the Ready Mix company. Well, that's weird. How you get banned from somebody you ain't even been, right? I'm banned from their property, right? Instead of them having good publicity, right, and getting some work, right? I guess they got plenty. Getting some work. They ban people, right? Just for standing on the side of the road, guys. Well, ain't that a bitch? He had to come and tell me I was banned. That's what his reason was. All right, well, I guess I'll be banned from a lot of places in Lumberton after today's over with, guys. What y'all think about that shit? Oh, man. Y'all put in where y'all from, how far I'm reaching. I love to see that. I love to see different places that you guys are watching from. Go check out my store, NC Tyrant Hunter at www.nctyranthunter.store, and go check out my other content, man. Watch some of my older videos. They're awesome videos. I've been doing this over 2 years now, and there's a lot. I got a lot of videos. I got like 400 videos. So y'all go check all those out. Get the word out. NC Tyrant Hunter. He's not gonna give up, man. I'm gonna still do what I do. Appreciate all you guys, man. Love all you guys. Y'all are all awesome. I love my family, and you guys are my family for sure. It gets no better than y'all. I don't care what nobody says. I got the best family in the world. And always remember to keep those cameras rolling, baby.